It's a Straumann Group brand.
Nudent is one of the companies from Straumann Group.
Okay.
Straumann Group has four more companies like Nudent, Medentica, and Tujir and Novo. Nudent is one of the top brand for Straumann.
Okay, so you have a guided option as
Yes,
well for
we
this.
have Easy Guide kit. We have surgical kit, the regular one.
Okay.
This is the Easy Guide kit. The
Easy Guide
used
kit.
for surgical guide.
Okay.
There are sleeves for the same.
Okay, so you have a one sleeve option or multiple sleeve option like
We have four types of sleeves
okay, four types
according
of sleeve.
to the implant size.
Okay.
The blue one,
Okay.
the blue one is for the narrow implant sizes.
Okay.
Like from 3.5 to 3.75.
3.75. Okay.
The silver one,
Okay.
the one there, it's for the implant size is more than 4.35 till 5.
And what is the largest size?
Our implant size is the large one is 7.
7.
Yes.
Okay.
The diameter of the
The diameter of the implant is 7.
7.
This is a very
and the
new
height,
for me.
8, 10, 11.5,
Okay.
13, 16,
And more
and
than
18.
and the smallest narrow implant
3.5.
3.5. And do you have all the accessories for this and available in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, it's available in Jeddah.
And what's
and
the
Riyadh.
cost of the implant?
The cost is like 650, including 650 real per implant, including all the accessories.
Okay.
Including, it's like we make a package.
Pack.
Okay.
If I buy 50 implant or 100
Yes.
implant.
Yeah, you will get, if you buy 100 implant, you will get 100 abutments along with it, 100 cover screws, and 100 accessories.
Okay.
Accessories, it will be like.
And 100 sleeve as well or not?
No, the sleeves are sold separately. You will get the guided kit.
Okay.
On 100 implant, you will
Okay.
get the guided kit and one prosthetic kit.
One prosthetic kit and one guided kit.
Yeah, these are two. These are yani, included as well.
Okay.
These are two guided kit. Yani, just as I told you, there are two different sleeves for two
Sleeve.
different other sizes of implant.
Okay.
Likewise, this is one guided kit is for like.
And what is the
3.5
cost for the 100 implant? Like it's
650.
650.
650. It will be like a package for
Okay.
100 implant, and maybe during an exhibition we have offer like we will
You have
reduce
offer.
it like to 550
Okay.
per
Okay.
implant. Per implant.
Thank you so much.